Hello my fibre friends, how are you all today? Well, today I've got something a bit different for you. I went on to the Aldi website here in the UK and I typed in search yarn and I found these. This is dream catchers and wall hanging. And then I spotted this, which is the teddy bear and the rabbit. You've only got enough yarn in here for either the rabbit or the bear. And then I was in Aldi doing some shopping and I spotted this. So this is going to be, this is going to be a giveaway sometime this year. So yeah, so we'll go through and see what we've got inside. So in this one, it's called Crochet Kit Make Your Own Monster, and I thought it'd be nice, nice for a giveaway. So you get all your yarn, yellow, purple, orange, white, black and green. You get a bag full of stuffing, which is handy obviously, and you get, you get a crochet hook and a darning needle, so you've got everything to, and I think this, and then you've got the pattern to make the little monster. So I think that's quite good, isn't it? So that's going to be a giveaway. I think this will be ideal for a child who wants to learn to crochet, or even an adult. I mean, let's face it, we're all children at heart, aren't we, really? Well, I am. I'm not saying anything else. I am. So yeah, so that's what was in that box, and so that's going to be a giveaway sometime this year. I've not decided when yet, but so that's going to be one giveaway. This one I want to do for myself. I saw a lady on here, Wendy Stanton, I think it's, let me just double check, because I would hate to, let me just double check, sorry about this, just need to check, subscriptions, can't see it on my little list. Wendy Stanbury, that's who she is. She's another UK crocheter, and she loves doing amigurumi, and like myself, she's a big Dermos fan. So I'll put the link to her YouTube, check her out. So I bought this. And last year, I think it was, I saw Wendy and she told me about it, so on her video. So I got the booklet and it goes through all the different how to do this, and it shows you different things to do, different projects. So that one that I've just showed you was Lace and Found, which is using twigs from the garden and that. And then we've got Beach Dreaming using driftwood, and Rainbow Unicorn, all the tools that you'll need for that. And this is what I want to do. This is by hook and by hoop. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. So, and you get all the things that you need. So you get a hook as well, and it's a metal one. You get feathers, you get the thread to do the mandala, ribbon and string, and then you get a load of the beads. So that was really good for £4.99. Not a bad price, is it? So that's going to be one of my future projects. When? I have no idea. I've got to list the length of my arm. So that's another project for me to have a go at. And then in this box with the bear, you get all the yarn. There's no ball band on it. You get a wooden crochet hook. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 balls of the grey, a ball of black, a ball of cream, and you get, just put that back in there so I don't lose it. So that's that, and then you get obviously the pattern, and it tells you it only makes one, so you either make the rabbit or the teddy bear, and I think I might do the teddy bear actually, and the pattern's all there for you. But what I do like is it's give you an alphabet guide on and showing you how to do it, so that's going to be quite good, isn't it? So that's the chain stitch. I've not done chain stitch since I was apart from the chain for the crochet, I've not done the chain stitch for years, because I used to do embroidery and all that. So yeah, so that's my little haul from Aldi. And I might go and see if I can get another one of these and do that as a giveaway as well, because I think that would be fun to make. But what I like is there's other projects on it as well, so that's good, isn't it? So that's my little haul, and I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends if you can, and I'll put all links down below. I think there is an Aldi in America. I won't swear to it, but I believe there is. Check their website out, and I'll put the link to the Aldi website, and I'm not affiliated in any way, shape or form with them. So, and I always have a disclaimer at the end of each video anyway. So, take care everybody, stay safe, and I'll catch you all again real soon. Bye for now.